WorkOut P4P.
Hello guys, so today is another day and another workout at pound for pound. So I'm doing the 7-minute warm-up workout, and the first set is done, so we're going to do the second set. So guys, we're done with the 7-minute warm-up workout, and that was 2 sets of warm-up. I'll be doing a footwork workout today. It's always been guaranteed that when you work out at pound for pound, you're going to have good results. But I can assure you that your money won't be waste here at pound for pound, and the coach is very accommodating. They will help you in any workout you'll need. I am excluded this workout, so I'll be doing the foot workout. As you can see now, they are watching the demo of the coach. So the coach is Coach Jomar. So guys, I will be showing you if you are a beginner or a starter here at pound for pound. You'll be doing a series of workout that is compatible or appropriate for you at the first. So these are the workouts. You'll be doing the warm-ups, then for starters 3 rounds and blah blah blah. You'll be doing all of this, and the round each. I guess this is another thing. And you do like a workout with your core. Here is it.
With 30 seconds left. 16 seconds left.
Ganito mag-alaga si Coach Jomar. Kaya ingat kayo mga girls.
1 minute.
Oh, I look like a prisoner now. We're doing this for 1 minute and 4 rounds. Next. So guys, that was 30 seconds each. So about 1 minute all in all. It was tiring. So next would be laterals with this band, and about 4 repetitions here, this line, and about 4 rounds. So 4 repetitions in this line for 4 rounds. So guys, next is it's still the same for 4 rounds of that kind of exercise, 2 main repetitions, and I'm gonna do this. So guys, I think I'm not gonna finish that workout. It's because my feet, I think it's gonna have a bruise. That's because of the thin socks. So I advise you that you wear a thick socks. I think this will be the end of my workout today. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and go to pound for pound. And thank you for watching. Kadush. See you on the next video. Bye.